Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about the number one driving skill that nobody talks about. That's right, this is, I believe, to be the number one driving skill that basically nobody talks about. We always talk about driving skills in terms of like where to hold the steering wheel, how to manage the gas pedal and the brake pedal, and so on and so forth. But this is, I believe, a truly massively important driving skill, and it doesn't get talked about enough. So guess what? I'm going to talk about it. So I'll tell you what the driving skill is, and then I'll tell you why it's so important. Okay, I'm going to try and keep this video short, sweet, and straight to the point, so pay attention. So what is the driving skill? The driving skill that I'm talking about is looking far ahead. That's right, looking far ahead while you are driving. Okay, now why is it important? Well, it is important because it will hopefully allow you to see problems develop 10 to 15 seconds before they actually happen. So if you're looking far ahead, you start to see these things, these signals, these signs of potential problems that might be developing, and you're going to see them much earlier than when you encounter them on the road. So you're going to see them, hopefully at least 10 seconds earlier before you actually encounter them. That means you can be prepared for when you encounter them. You can be prepared for anything that's going to happen. You can be better prepared to be safe while on the road. It's very, very simple. Okay, you basically need to look far ahead, and that's how simple it is. Looking far ahead will allow you to see things happen before they happen. It's almost like it's comparable to being able to sort of see the future, but you're not seeing the future. You are seeing the signs that will lead to something that might happen in the future. Now, just because you see something, you see a sign up ahead, or by sign, I'm not talking necessarily about a road sign. I'm talking about like something happening, like a sign of like a sign, or like almost like a symptom. You start seeing something occurring further up ahead. That's the sign that I'm talking about. So if you see a sign far up ahead, does that mean guaranteed that thing is going to happen? No. But you know that it might happen, and you are now better prepared to deal with it if it does happen. Okay, so it's very simple. As drivers, we oftentimes will lock in front of us, look at the vehicle in front of us, look at what's happening right in front of us, but we forget to look further ahead. Okay, obviously it's important to look in front of the car, but you should also be looking farther ahead. And when you look farther ahead, you will hopefully be better prepared for whatever might happen. Okay, and by being better prepared for whatever might happen, you in essence will hopefully become a safer driver overall and a better driver overall. Okay, and you'll have a better driving experience overall. You'll avoid as many close calls, and so on and so forth. Okay, it's literally that simple. That's the driving skill. That's all I'm gonna say. I told you what the driving skill was. I told you why it was so important, and that's it. I've got nothing else to say. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.